CES is officially underway, and one of the biggest names in the industry unveiled a bunch of hardware at its press conference in Las Vegas. Dell isn't shy about touting its PC and software innovations, and we got a bit of time with its latest professional lineup. We'll start with the Latitude 7400 2-in-1 laptop, a sleek corporate device with a hint of XPS flair. Dell says it's the world's smallest commercial 14-inch 1080p 2-in-1 laptop built from the ground up. It takes a lot of inspiration from the XPS lineup, specifically when it comes to the tiny bezel and weight of the device. Its new Express sign-in capability works surprisingly well and logs you into Windows in 1 second. The 7400 2-in-1 will be available in March, starting at $2,140 Canadian. Speaking of the XPS, Dell's top-of-the-line laptop finally solved its webcam problem. The company's most award-winning product ever has a new top-mounted webcam that's 2.25mm wide, making it the company's smallest HD webcam ever. It also means no more nostril cams, no more unflattering selfies. The new XPS 13 doesn't come with many other upgrades, but you're still getting a very compelling device. It will be available February, starting at $1,194 Canadian. You can find it on Dell.com, Microsoft.com, and in limited quantities in select Microsoft Store locations. Thanks for watching All Hands on Tech. For IT World Canada, I'm Alex Coop. Make sure to like this video and feel free to comment. Subscribe to our channel for more tech videos.